The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merritt Island, Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Space Coast Stadium, Canaveral Groves, and Rockledge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.